want to post a quick video on Dale Smith's Porsche 911. It's a 1974. He's a member of the R Group for about a year, a little over a year time, over up in Northern California. He brought his Porsche in and wanted to do a repaint. It's been painted a couple times. Originally, it was like a metallic green. I think it's called Viper Green. And we're just going to go with the solid color. We did a little bit of work here on the fender joining plates. They were rusted. So I cut them out, cut the rust area out, and patched it in and welded in the new plates. Alright, all the door sills down below are all clean. Got rid of some of the wavies, welded up the holes because we're not going to go with the lower rocker valances anymore. The cool thing about this is those are real RS flares from 1973 Porsche 911 RS. He found them online and had me weld them onto his car. So this was butt welded. Very clean job. You know, and skim coat it, make sure it's smooth before the primer. And I'm going to put about 4 to 5 coats of primer on this. Let it dry for about a week, week and a half. And then I'll cut it down with 180. Find my highs and lows and re-primer it again. I'm using a 2-part epoxy primer. It's a DTM, which means direct to metal. So I took all the paint off this car to find any bodywork, which was very little. Here on the left side was a little bit of bodywork there. And dollied it out. Just kind of skim coat it. Again, there's the true RS flares, which is a thinner gauge than the actual G bodies. Because the RS were lightweight, of course. All the rockers looking really good. I aligned the doors already, and of course I pulled the pins out with my tool, and those will stay on there until it gets painted, so that the pins go back in. The doors will be aligned. Again, this is Dale Smith 74 Porsche 911 update. And we'll fast forward real quick and show you what it looks like right after the primer. Okay, there we go. We got it all primered up. I ended up going with 4 really thick coats. I went through a whole gallon with a 2-part epoxy primer, direct to metal. She's completely covered. And then when I was finished, you saw me spray some guide coat on there, so that when I sand it, I'm going to sand it with 180 grit, sand the primer down before I do a reprime, so I can catch any highs and lows. Should come out really nice though, real smooth. And I'll give you guys an update when it's ready for paint. There you go, Dale. It's looking good, buddy.